Researchers at Harvard speculate that an unidentified technologically advanced population could be secretly living among humans on Earth.
Mismong mga mismong mga taga Harvard University na may mga ganitong mga findings, and actually it is a research na ginawa nila about extraterrestrials. Based sa research ng mga scientists sa Harvard, aliens may be living among us at nagkukunoring mga tao disguised as humans.
Gabi ng Misteryo.
Researchers at Harvard speculate that an unidentified technologically advanced population could be secretly living among humans on Earth. Those Harvard researchers joined forces with scientists over at the Montana Technological Institute.
Okay, so sa ating mga ka misteryo, this is very good news about extraterrestrials, and mismong mga mismong mga taga Harvard University na may mga ganitong mga findings, and actually it is a research na ginawa nila about extraterrestrials, and for them they are proposing na ang mga extraterrestrials ay living among us here on Earth. Ayan, so ano masasabi ninyo sa ating mga ka-misteryo, mga ka-adventure Alright. Well, of course, ito'y patunay na talagang totoo yung mga tinatalakay natin, and especially yung ating mga channeling ng mga extraterrestrials or alien beings. And they're already here. They are living among us. Hindi lang natin sila nakikita, but they are already here now. So ito yung ang tinatawag pala rito sa kanilang research ay crypto-terrestrial hypothesis. Alright, so at ang binabanggit nga rito, okay, dali lang ito mga ka-adventure, ka-misteryo. So based sa research ng mga scientists sa Harvard, aliens may be living among us at nagkukunoring mga tao disguised as humans. Based sa kanilang research yan, mga matatalino mga tao to sa Harvard, and yung kanilang research ay sinurat mismo ng mga research scientists sa Harvard University, and they suggests na ang mga extraterrestrials or aliens could be living underground or on the moon. On the moon, binabagit dito, on the moon. So kapag on the moon, ibig sabihin na sa ibabaw pala ng buwan, hindi inside the moon, or even walking among us. So nandito sila sa paligid natin, and posing as humans, nagkukuno rin mga tao. And the paper, well, dadaan pa naman to sa peer review, pero ito ay kamakailan lang ginawa, and sabi nga ay based sa lumabas na mga report ay looks at a newer unconventional theory na tinatawag nilang crypto-terrestrial hypothesis. And binabanggit nga rito, sinasalin ko lang sa Tagalog tong report tungkol dito. The paper was written, sinulat nga po ng mga researchers sa Harvard's Human Flourishing Program. Pero meron daw note dito, at the top of the report called it a speculative thought piece. So, well, hindi pa rin inaalis na speculation yon, pero ang nag-speculate na mismo yung mga scientists based sa kanilang research, diba? And emphasize it's not affiliated with a program at Harvard. Alright, so dali lang, nawala. Okay, here we go. Okay, now Ang binabanggit nga rito sa inilabas nilang report, we would like also to emphasize that we believe this hypothesis to be in all likelihood false. So meron silang ganong disclaimer, but nevertheless believe it still merits scientific investigation. Alright. So what is this cryptoterrestrial hypothesis? According to the paper, sabi nga ay scientific discussion around unidentified aerial phenomena. The official government term for UFOs has been dominated by two main classifications: human technology, yung conventional terrestrial origin, ito yun, or extraterrestrial origin, civilizations arriving from somewhere other than Earth. Okay, so researchers have since considered a more unorthodox set of theories, the ultra-terrestrial hypothesis. Ba? Meron pala nun, ha? Included in this subset of theories is the cryptoterrestrial hypothesis, which explores the possibility of non-human intelligence living among us, either concealed underground, nasa ilalim ng lupa natin, or underwater, sa mga katubigan, or disguising themselves as humans. Alright, so banggit pa rin nung naturang pag-aaral ng Harvard scientists, it is increasingly apparent that UAP are not only aerial but can also move underwater, itong binabanggit ito, in ways that per their airborne counterparts defy explanation. So hindi may paliwanag. Alright, so inaamin din pala ng mga scientists, hindi rin nila may paliwanag itong ganitong mga ano, no? So, ang mga authors daw po, binanggit ng mga authors nito sa report ng Harvard scientists, sina retired Air Force Major David Grush and retired Navy Rear Admiral Tim Gallagher. Yan. Bahala na kayo sa pronunciation. Who have argued there's a lost list of strange occurrences underwater. Okay. Okay, so if you ask me about all of this, definitely, ano pa lang naman to, subject for validation and investigation and so forth. Pero ang nagsasabi na rito, mga scientists ng Harvard, hindi mga basta-basta mga scientists, mga matatalinong mga tao to, no? And I assume talaga namang gumawa sila ng matinding mga research tungkol sa extraterrestrials, mga UAPs or UFO, ano. Ngayon, iniiwan ko itong ganitong statement based na rin sa aking experience and based na rin sa experience sa iba, na definitely ang mga extraterrestrials are already among us. I would agree that ako mag-agree na sa report na to, no? Kasi mostly kasi yan, sabi, pag iniisip ang mga aliens or extraterrestrials, UFOs, parang malayo sa katotohanan, di ba? But now, here we go, may mga ganitong mga pag-aaral, research ng mga scientists, mahirap na yatang baliin, di ba? Yung ganitong mga research. So, I think it's about time that we have to wake up na ang katotohanan na they are already among us and they are living among us, they are walking among us. In fact, I channel extraterrestrial beings from different star systems, so I can also express, I can project ano yung mga messages nila sa tao. I would say na talagang they are here, they are real. We cannot see them with our physical eyes, but if your brain waves or your consciousness is nakasynchronize sa kanilang consciousness, sa kanilang brain waves, we can communicate with them and we can even see them. Alright? Ano po yan it's a matter of how to synchronize to their frequencies and vibrations. So that's all. Sa ating mga kamisteryo, maybe some other time mapag-usapan ulit natin itong ganitong mga topic about extraterrestrial beings, because now lumalakas yung ganitong mga proof of their existence sa atin. the truth is not out there. It's already here. Andito na sila sa paligid natin. Ang gagawin na lang natin is how to attune to them, how to tune into their frequencies so that we can receive messages, we can communicate with them. Most of them are communicating with us telepathically. Di lang natin sila nasasagap unless na we have that ability to synchronize with their brain systems. Alright, hindi lang po ako nakagawa niyan. Marami ng mga nakagawa niyan. Iba hindi lang pinapansin. But ako, I am not telling everyone we have to do it abruptly, yung mabilisan. There is a process how to tune in to their frequencies and vibrations. That's why yung ating program na Gabi ng Misteryo and other persons na nakaumpanayam natin, they are suggesting that we have to evolve, we have to raise our vibrations, and kasama yan sa ascension process, ascending to the 5th dimension. Alright? So, sa ating mga kamisteryo, sa ating mga ka-adventure, salamat sa inyong palaging pagtutok sa ating programa Gabi ng Misteryo. Every Saturday, 10 to 11 p.m. sa DCRS. And also, from time to time, I'm uploading videos, channeling sessions with extraterrestrial beings and other highly advanced beings. Depende sa kung ano ang gusto nilang ibigay sa atin ng mga messages. Alright? Okay? See you.